Hi friend and welcome to my channel. Let's draw 4 delicious ice creams together. Are you ready? Let's start! Draw the first ice cream cone with a small semicircle, a horizontal line, a small semicircle, a large line in shape of the letter V. Draw the ice cream flavors with a curved line, a diagonal line, a curved line, a diagonal line, another curved line, a curved line, a diagonal line, an inverted U-shaped line, a wavy line, and a curve. Draw a horizontal line for the edge of the cone. Draw diagonal lines to form the squares on the cookie.
Wow! The design is starting to take shape and the first ice cream is ready! Draw the second ice cream starting from the stick. Draw a vertical line, a semicircle, and another vertical line. Draw the outline of the ice cream with a slightly curved horizontal line, 4 curved lines, 1 horizontal line, and another 4 curved lines. Draw 3 diagonal lines inside it. Good job! The second ice cream is ready! Now draw the third one. Trace the edge of the cone with a diagonal line, a horizontal line, a diagonal line, and a horizontal line. Trace the outline of the cone with a diagonal line, a horizontal line, and another diagonal line. Draw 3 semicircles of different sizes for the ice cream. Draw a circle, stem, a leaf for the cherry. Finally, draw many diagonals to form the squares on the biscuit. The third ice cream is ready too! Now draw the last ice cream. Draw the outline with a curved line, a horizontal line, a curved line, a vertical line, a semicircle, and a vertical line. Draw the wooden stick with a vertical line, a semicircle, and another vertical line. Draw the peanuts like I do. Excellent! The drawing turned out great! Now let's take the colors! Use orange for the sticks, peanuts, and biscuits. Use brown for the third ice cream. Use red for the cherry and the first ice cream. Use green for the first part of the second ice cream and for the cherry leaf. Cover the second part of the second ice cream with yellow. Use purple for the first scoop of the third ice cream. Use pink for the second scoop of the third ice cream and for the third part of the second. Color the fourth part with light blue. Use light pink for the last scoop of ice cream. Excellent! Our ice cream cones are great! Good job! Which one is your favorite? Goodbye friends, see you soon!